Hello guys! For today's video ay susubukan natin yung bagong bukas na seafood restaurant sa Orange guys. So ang pangalan ng restaurant na ito ay Kicking In Seafood Restaurant. So ito ay may kanin na at mix yung seafoods kaya nakakatakam yung picture. Nakita namin sa social media na nakakatakam yung picture kaya nagpasya kaming subukan ito guys at magkakaalaman na. Itong recipe na to guys daw ay galing pa ng California, USA. So tingnan nga natin guys kung pang international ang lasa. So maraming nagpo-post sa social media guys na lagi silang pumupunta, most especially mga kapwa natin mga Pilipino guys. So ayan, subukan natin guys. At dito na magkakaalaman guys. So ayan, panoorin hanggang dulo ang video na ito para magkaroon kayo ng idea at masubukan din ito guys. Hello guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa kainan sa Chicken, bagong restaurant sa Orange guys. Subukan natin. Subukan natin yung seafoods nila guys. Yung seafood dito. Ayan o, ito mixed bag. Yan guys, yung menu nila. So may mili tayo. Itong seafood mixed bags nilang seafoods guys is $199. Good for 3 to 4 person. May mga mains din sila, mga seafoods. So ayan. Mga mahal guys. Not lower than $50 yung isang order. Pero sa tingin ko masarap naman. Meron ding plain side of rice, 1 serve. Okay. $59. Full fresh prawn, 5 filled prawn, 5 octopus, 1 corn, 1 potato, and rice. Medium.
This one?
Yeah.
Special.
Yeah.
Promotion.
How much the rice? It's plenty or?
I think it just comes with a cup of rice.
A couple
Which
of.
one did you want? The mini mix?
Yeah, mini mix. Yeah.
Mini mix. No additional seafood. You don't want to add anything?
It's buttered garlic. And
Garlic butter.
Yeah.
Yep. And,
Original, mild, spicy, or
Original.
original?
Yep.
yeah.
No sides. Eggs.
Maybe just 1 egg or 2 egg. Yeah.
Just. I think it's 3 eggs.
Free egg. Okay.
3
Yeah.
eggs. 3 eggs, Kieran? For the size of eggs, it's 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
3 eggs in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
And then I need additional 1 rice, plain rice.
That's sides. Yep. That's all.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Any drinks? I'll bring you water free.
Yeah, just water. Yeah.
Okay. All good.
Thanks, mate. Yep.
Can we take that?
Yeah, all good. Yeah.
No worries.
Yan guys, hintayin lang natin yung order natin. Ayan, may gloves pa pala guys. Ayan.
And then we have this one as well.
Ayan. Yun. Kung mapunta kayo dito sa Orange guys, subukan nyo ito guys. Parang bago ito guys. Parang ngayon lang namin nakakita. So,
Bago lang talaga.
parang bago lang. So, yeah. Ayan guys, hintayin natin yung order natin. Subukan natin. Magkamay tayo guys. Mapapalaban na naman kaming mag-asawa guys. So, yeah. Ayan guys, habang nag-iintay yan, gutom na yan guys. Time check. 3:20 PM na guys, pang dinner na ito guys. So, ayan. Gutom na kami. So, tingnan natin yung serving nila for $60 yung in-order namin. Kompleto na yon, may mga seafoods na, mixed seafoods na yon guys. Meron silang pa-promo guys oh. I-tag mo yung page nila na @Kicking In, and then pagpunta mo dito, ipakita mo yung tinag mo na pre-nomote mo sa page mo guys. Meron kang komplementaryong makukuha. Ito ang dalawa na to. Whether tiramisu or American brownie. So ayan guys. So pagka bumisita kayo dito at kakain, itag nyo yung page nila guys at ipapakita nyo, and then meron kayong libreng food. So ayan. Ganda rin yung location niya guys, ambient niya. Ayan. Ayan, bagong-bago guys. Ayan. Yung location maganda guys, komportable pang pamilya. Pwedeng kumain. Kung mag-birthday ka guys, pwede ka rito guys. Pwede kang kumain dito. At kung nagkikrave ka ng seafoods guys, dito ka na guys. Subukan mo kumain. So ayan. We'll just wait for our order and then magchichibugan na tayo guys. So ayan.
Baka wala na tayong mapala sa Asian na ito.
Ayan.
Gutom na kami.
Gutom na much. Gutom na,
Time
gutom.
check, it's 3:23.
Gutom much na guys. Yep. Yep. Thank you.
If you need anything, just
Yep.
let me know. Okay?
Yep. Thanks mate. Yep.
Thank you.
Yan guys. May pag-gloves pa sila guys. Ayan yung food namin guys. Ayan yung food namin guys. Oh, yan. $60 yan guys. Ayan. May octopus, may clam, may shrimp. Ayan, may corn, may egg, may potato, and then may rice. So, ayan guys. Excited nang kumain. Yan. Ayan guys. So, kain na tayo guys. Yan. Let's eat. Parang boodle fight lang guys. Dapat 2 grams pala ano. Ayan. Parang nagpapadede lang ng kuya guys ah. Naka-gloves. Ayun yung octopus. Good. Sarap. Bagay sa gutom guys. Parang style Pilipinas lang to guys ah. Good. May pa-egg pa oh. Good.
Ang sarap na.
Masarap higupin no? Yung sabaw.
Garlic butter.
Sarap guys.
Sarap higutin.
Kulang ata yung rice ah. Init-init pa guys. Init. Parang pang scoop yung shell nung ano, mussel. Mm.
Next time yung iba ang kunin din natin para matikman ni nanay.
Mm.
Maiwan sila.
Alright. Sulit yung $60 guys. At mong sabaw.
Butter rice.
Mm.
So where do you want it?
Yeah, I'll just pay it later, mate. Yeah.
Was this your first time at kicking in? Or
Yeah,
maybe
first
five?
time,
How was the
first time.
sauce?
Good.
That's good.
Yeah, really good. Recommended for
Yeah.
others. Yeah.
Usually-
Still,
Sa health or blood.
still new this one?
Here in Orange New,
Yeah.
but there we have a lot of stores in Sydney and other states.
Ah, yeah.
So you guys from Orange or
No, from Kaura.
Cobra?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Actually, this
Really
is
good.
I think first one like this type of seafood.
Yeah,
around
yeah,
here.
only. Yeah. If you're craving seafoods, here's
Yeah.
really
So
good.
next time, if you want to try, I recommend the another red sauce.
Yeah, yeah,
So that's the most popular one.
yeah,
Yeah, you can try that next time.
yeah. Now
So
ours,
how
mate.
far is Kola? Like how long drive?
It's 1 and well, yeah. Just near here. Yeah,
Okay, for country people, it's
Yeah.
I think 1 hour, right? Okay.
yeah. Maybe our fellow Filipinos there, they will try here because they will watch
posting that one in
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much for that.
yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of Filipino customers and our staff
Yeah,
are
yeah.
also Filipino.
Yeah. That's why I told to her. I think this one is Filipino. Yeah,
Not
Filipino
the food
dish. No.
actually, but
Yeah,
this kind of food is very famous in California, Louisiana.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it started from there, and the owners of this restaurant, they want to introduce the same
Ah, yeah.
Because the taste
Yeah, it
seems
seems.
in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Okay, similar.
That's why, yeah.
yeah. That's why. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Okay, anyway, thank you so much
Yeah.
for your time.
Now ours, thanks mate. Yeah. Ayun guys, galing pala ng California. Nagutom di ako na nag-breakfast eh. Sarap guys. Parang yung ito, parang naalala ko yung luto ni Charlene. Parang Pinoy. Pero kaya ni Charlene lutuin to guys, kaso iba pa rin yung kakain ka sa labas.
Next time we will bring Gabi and
Good.
siguro simutin mo octopus. Baby octopus. Nakatukat sa slice. Hindi siya nagagahan. Tapos, natagalan yung service ng sakyan. And then, ngayon lang kumain yan. Kaya gutom na gutom. Tingnan nyo guys. Simot na yung sarasa.
Sarap ng salsa. Tikim tayo ng sauce daw guys.
Let's try.
Maanghang sigurado to. May spicy na sweet siya guys. Sarap. Subukan nyo to guys. Hindi battle.
Mix nga.
May spicy siya.
Masarap siya.
Good.